Look, I get it. You're rushed. You want to get the job done. Try and keep it simple, but if you're tired of your wood projects looking like they're just rushed, check out this ezarc 15-piece countersink set. It's an upgraded kit, which basically means it actually includes the accessories you usually realize you're missing halfway through the job. You get 7 tapered bits covering everything from number 4 to number 12. They even threw in doubles of the common sizes because, let's face it, these things get lost. There's plug cutters, depth stops, and an extension shaft. It's a complete setup for anyone who wants their screws to actually sit flush and look like they belong there. So these are supposedly made with nitrate-treated high-speed steel, industrial-grade toughness, and, a new Allen wrench. But they're built to last, so they say. So they say. It's an all-in-one set. The real catch is it's like $27 for a 15-piece set. I usually see 3-piece sets going for that price in certain stores. You can't beat that price. Go ahead and try with the link below and subscribe while you're at it. In all honesty, this is one of those sets that I've been using constantly since I bought it. It's not just sitting here collecting dust, but it makes dust. Still buy it though. Come on, no one's looking. Put it on the card that they forgot is linked to the account. I won't say anything, for the right price.